the president in the SONA agreed with the late vice president's wife, Mary Chilima, that the president does not even understand how the issue of the plane crash happened. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, as the people of Machinga East constituency, I would want to agree with the President.
Deputy Leader, I even told other leaders this side that we should allow the honorable member to finish and then we'll give them a floor. Honorable.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker,
honorable members, please.
That even the people of Machinga East constituency
Deputy Leader, wait for her to finish.
The whole issue of the plane crash. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, maybe the Minister of Health is standing because she was one of the ministers.
Honorable member, just stick to your presentation. Just stick to your presentation.
My presentation is to do with the plane crash. I do agree with the President, and I do recall, I would want to say that even the people of Machinga East, they are not satisfied, as the President indicated that he is also having questions, like the way the late Vice President's wife is having questions. In the SONA, it is in the SONA, Madam. So I would want to inform the nation that, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, during that time, 4 ministers came, and they are here in this house. They came, they informed that we, the families, they are at liberty to get a medical personnel to do the autopsy for their relatives. Madam, I was there. And I was the one, Madam, who organized them to meet the family. Madam, we as a family, we opted to get Zamalala, one of the medical pathologists in Malawi, to do the post-mortem, just to be refused by this minister, by this government. And the inquiry, Madam, it is saying that Zamalala.
Honorable members, 1 minute to go. Conclude your presentation.
In concluding, Madam, we did not hire the pathologist as an observer. We did not hire a pathologist as an observer. We hired him to do the
postmortem. Because you are making noise.
This administration denied him.
You are making noise. I'm unable to hear her.
Denied him. This administration denied the pathologist to do the autopsy for the reasons well known to themselves. Madam, I do cry when I see them defending their positions.
With these
few remarks, Madam, I submit.
Thank you very much. Honorable Deputy Leader, I give you the floor. No, wait, you will come after her. You will come after her, yes. You will speak after her. Deputy Leader, I give you the floor. If that is the case, then the Honorable Chief Whip stood when she was speaking, and the leader there for you, therefore, stood when she was speaking.